Hey, so what's up guys? I'm back with another video to help you learn about investing, to help you start to find, how to invest, as well as start to compile, your list of different investments that you can research. So as always guys, just keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor and you're encouraged to do research on any and everything according to your own interests and not just take my word for it. So there's my disclaimer. So in the video before, I talked mostly about you and your interests. And so today I want to talk about, not just you, but the interest of others now. And so what does that mean? That simply means being able to see and pay attention to what everybody is interested in. But keep in mind that this video is to help you start to compile a list so that you can start to research companies so that you can make the best decision for yourself. And so what that means is that there are tons of investments out here that everyone is really going crazy over and has a big interest in. So let's go through some examples of what I mean. It can be Netflix, Amazon, it can be Facebook, it can be Apple, it can be just some of those popular companies that everyone is talking about and everyone kind of gets a big craze over, especially if they're like dropping a new product or something. Which can also mean places that, people love to eat at, people love to buy things from, etc., etc. Like, could you imagine if you can invest in Chick-fil-A? As much as people love Chick-fil-A, I'm sure that company, if it went public, it would probably do pretty well. But they're not, in the stock market, so you can't invest in them. But that's something that people are just really interested in. Finding companies and making a list of companies that everybody is interested in, things that people all are like they love to do and they're all talking about, and you can clearly see that they are growing. For example, like I said before, Amazon, everybody loves Amazon, everybody's using Amazon Prime. Maybe not everybody, but a lot of people are. So if you look at their stock price, you can see that it has significantly grown over the years purely because the consumers are really using Amazon. They're really buying it. They're really, enjoying the platform and everything they have to offer. That's an example of what everybody's interested in. So if you were to think about those things, it's not hard because you see it on social media all the time. People are talking about it. You see people buying it all the time. You see people going here all the time. And that can kind of give you a list to start doing some research. Now, if you haven't seen the first video, I'll put the link in the description so you can go back and you can watch it. But in the first video, I talked about, getting out a notepad or something and creating a list. And you can make this list through categories. So this would be another category, what everyone's interested in, like the market, what consumers want, just that list. And you can start to write down stocks. And as you start to do your research, you can put an asterisk besides those that you're finding very, very interesting, and you can start to research them even more and even more before you actually put some money in. Which you may find some that are no-brainers, but in this category, you're definitely going to find some stocks that are long-term investments that you can invest in for 10, 15, and even 20 years. So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. Remember that these videos are to help you to do your own research, for you to learn how to invest, for you to put yourself in position so that you're gaining the knowledge and you'll be able to make decisions for yourself. These videos are not to encourage you to buy, one particular stock or anything like that. It's to encourage you to learn more and to grow more. And I'm just sharing with you some strategies. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. See you soon. Peace.